falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. And today guys, ay nandito po ako ngayon sa Omaha. Mag-isa ko na naman. Nagpunta ako sa isang coffee shop. Pagpasok ko sa isang coffee shop, wala silang mga table. Mga outdoor table lang. Eh syempre napakalamig ngayon. Here in Omaha, the temperature is 26. So ang 26 is negative na siya in Celsius. Eh, syempre, hindi ko naman kaya. Nandun ako sa labas. Tapos, nagpunta akong Starbucks. Diyan lang naman sa kabila yung Starbucks. Nagpark lang ako. Tapos, sabi ko, pupunta kaya ako sa loob. Gusto ko sanang mag-edit sa loob. Yun nga pala, wala pala akong dala na earphone.
Daydreaming got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from.
Ay, tara na guys. Magdadrive ulit ako. Pupunta nasa university. Kukunin ko na si Mac. Ay, Lord, guide me po. Sana wala na masyadong sakyan. Ngayon ko talaga nagdadrive sa city. Daming traffic lights dito.
Ever since that day out in the park, and I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your life is contagious, narrations always seems to make my day. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself too much, 'cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Oh, if I could have you, I would float and touch the moon.
Napakalamig po. Yung kasama ko walang boat. Ano lang siya. Planal lang siya. Lokal na lokal daw. Ay, ang daming.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. We used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again, but I don't wanna think we're toxic.
too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life. Feeling my high when you're on my side. High up in the sky, cruising through the night. Feeling my high. I ain't never been one to not follow the signs. You're looking like a one-way, gotta make the
An?
Yung ganyan. Kaso kasi, maano sa mga skin. Alam mo yung kapag nag-side ka, tapos
Babak.
sa may tahi-tahi, parang babakat sa mukha. Kasi dapat to testing natin po. Uy, maganda siya. Maganda to. Pero parang time na talaga para palitan ko na yung unan. Ang ganda to. Oh, yung pang-hotel. Ganito yung mga gusto ko na ano yung unan. Pero napipipi siya. Pagit to. Kahit saan. Mas maganda to. Oh, Columbia Omni-Freeze Adaptive Pillow. For all sleep positions. More styles. For all sleep positions. More styles. More sizes at koals.com. Ay, tignan ba natin? Ano yan? Ay, iba to. Ay, ang ganda rin ito. Diyan memory foam. Pero mas maganda talaga yun. Yung tinesting ko na yun. Ay, ang ganda rin nito, mahal. Mas maganda to, promise. Huh? Oh my gosh. Side sleeper. Oh, dahil side sleeper ako. Ito dapat talaga sa akin. Ang sakit ng shoulder. Parang time na talaga para rewardan ko yung sarili ko for a new pillow. Every year yung mga pillow ko, 1 year lang siya napipipi. Gel memory foam, painful pressure point relief. Oh my God, parang well-rested talaga ako pag siguro ito yung pillow ko.
Kunin mo na.
Kailangan bago. At kung magkano?
Ayun o.
Ay,
$29 na o. 55% off. Regular $69.
$30. Unan lang. Yung pa yung mga luxury. Kung hindi naman naayos yung stiff neck ko. Magiging kagaya na ako ng pasyente natin sa room 15. Oh, my neck. Nalagyan ko to ng pangalan kasi kailangan talaga sa akin. Baka kasi maglakad na naman siya. Lilipat siya sa kabilang side ng bed. Kunin ko na ba to? Magkano kaya yung Columbia? Parang mas maganda yung Columbia. Pero parang sample na lang kasi nila yun. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. Oh my God, this is squishy. Parang yung mga laruan ng bata. Pero kasi kapag nagganyan ka, tataas ito, kaya may gaganunan yung ulo mo. May natatandaan ako mga kababayan. Nanalo pala ako sa pustahan. Mukhang nagkakalimutan na tayo, sis ha? Sis, mukhang nakalimutan mo yung pusta mo ha? Nanalo ko $50.
melody. I just need to find my way. So when I fall behind,
Gusto ko yung vegetable.
just give me one more day to regret the word I could never say. I'm drowning with the past.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. We appreciate you guys so much. Also, Tita wants me to say that Canada Day 1 to 5 shoutouts are already recorded, but they're going to be in other videos. But today, I'm going to be doing these shoutouts. Whee! So the first shoutout is on Canada Day 6. Okay, just so that you guys know, I'm sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. I have a hard time. So the first shoutout goes to Ibrahim Hailil. Second shoutout goes to Jem Ruiz. Third shoutout goes to Ronica Berto. And last but not least, Neng F Channel. Thank you guys so much. Next shoutout is Costco Shopping with Family. First one is Gwen RN. Next one is MGC Mix Vlog, DJ Family, and once again, Ronica Berto. Oh, you're super fancy. That's Ibrahim Hailil once again. And last but not least, for this one, Dale Travels. Canada Day 8 shoutouts are Polly Words, I think it is. Once again, I'm sorry. Second is Kay. And third is Alia Mariano, Ronica Berto. Oh my gosh, they're super fans. And Ibrahim Hailil again. Shopping with winter clothes, which by the way you spelled winter wrong. There's an N after I.
How did I spell it?
You said it winter clothes.
See, I'm the best.
Winter clothes. Gemma Ruiz, Michelle T, Ronica Berto, and Ibrahim Hailil. Anyway, guys, please subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. Go follow my tita's socials, which is Facebook, JoyOfMia, Instagram, JoyOfMia. Bye, guys! Yee! Bloopers. The part. The part be like, no. Just randomly in the middle. The first shout out is, I'm sorry guys. Hold on. Keep this in. She just farted like a giant sound.
We used to have each other's playlists. No. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart